Hey everyone! Welcome to the TradeManners subscription and payment guide. If you've just joined TradeManners or you're thinking about getting a plan, this video's gonna make everything super clear. We'll go through how to pick your plan, start your free trial, make secure payments, manage your billing info, and even upgrade or cancel your subscription whenever you want. So grab a coffee, relax, and let's jump right in. TradeManners subscription and payment guide. Step 1. Access the subscription page. Go to your profile by clicking your avatar at the top of the dashboard. Then open the subscription and billing tab. Step 2. Choose your plan, Nova or Carina. You'll see two subscription plans, Nova and Carina, both available in monthly and yearly options. By default, the monthly plans are selected, but you can toggle to yearly for a discounted price, 2 months free. The Nova plan includes a 14-day free trial on your first purchase. No charges will apply until the trial ends. Step 3. Continue to payment via a comprehensive online payment gateway. After choosing your desired plan, click Start 14-day free trial or choose Carina. A dialog will open. In the window that appears, select Credit/Debit Card, Online Payment Gateway, and click Continue. You'll be redirected to the secure payment page of the selected gateway to complete your subscription. Step 4. Automatic renewal and payment portal. When paying through the online payment gateway, your subscription is automatically renewed at the end of each billing period. Congratulations! Your plan has been successfully activated. Start exploring, connect, and enjoy your trading journey with TradeManners. Happy trading! You can manage your payment details anytime by clicking Manage Subscriptions, which redirects you to the customer billing portal. There you can update your payment card, change billing information, view invoices and receipts, and cancel auto-renewal. Step 5. Upgrade or downgrade your plan from the same customer billing portal. You can upgrade from Nova to Carina or downgrade at any time. Billing is automatically adjusted. You'll only pay the difference for upgrades or receive credit for downgrades. Step 6. Cancel subscription. If you wish to stop auto-renewal, click Cancel Subscription on the Subscription tab or inside the billing portal. Your access will remain active until the end of your current billing period. If you'd like to reactivate your plan, just click Reactivate Subscription, or open the Manage Billing portal and select Don't Cancel Subscription. This will keep your current plan active and automatically renew it at the end of your billing period. You're all set. Whether you're just starting with Nova or exploring Carina, your journey on TradeManners is ready to begin. Thanks for watching, and remember, trading has manners and manners make traders.